Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial of this, I would say warm brown because I used a warm brown eyeshadow palette, but it turned out a bit pinky. So pinky, smoky, something. Whatever the title is, that's what video we're doing today. If you would like to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, good morning guys. I'm very ashy. What is this? I'm very ashy right here, but ignore that because I'm going to do a face mask first. I'm using the Sephora green tea face mask. It is for mattifying and anti-blemish, which doesn't really make sense if I'm ashy. I shouldn't want to be more matte, but smells good. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Let's go and take you off. And then I'm supposed to rub it in. Okay, so far I don't see any difference. Like my face looks glowy. It doesn't look mattifying or anything, but I may see the results later on throughout the day once I've applied makeup. I don't know. Now I'm going to prime using the Fenty Beauty Primer, of course. Now for foundation, ooh, I look pale. I don't look that way in person. So for foundation, I'm going to use the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation. I don't know if it's the mask or what, but it seemed like the foundation is going on. Like the brush is moving more stiff than it normally is. Then for concealer, I opened a new one, the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Sand. So today I'm doing a warm brown eyeshadow look, and I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I've done a tutorial, a live tutorial before using it, but I don't think I've used it on my YouTube channel. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I've ever used it on here. But I've used it, you know, for Instagram posts and on Instagram Live. It is a nice palette. I was having a bit of an issue with the matte eyeshadows, which is most of the eyeshadows in here. But I'm going to be trying it again with a different primer underneath. So we'll see this time. And then for setting powder, I'm going to be using the BenNye Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. So for eyeshadows, I'm going to, well actually I primed my eyelids using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and then I just set it with the same BenNye Luxury Powder that I used to set my face. Now I'm going to go in with this shadow right here in the center for my transition. Yeah, this is blending a lot better with that eyeshadow base. Normally I use like my foundation and then I set that. And when I did that a few times, it was kind of skipping. Next, I'm going to go in with this red shade right here and just apply this lower. I'm going to put it in the outer V as well, and then I'm going to apply it lower than the transition, kind of blending it into the transition color. Okay, and with that same brush, the Sigma E38 brush is just a small blending brush, smaller version of the E40. I'm going to deepen up the look with this shadow right here. And then for the shimmer on the lid, I'm going to be using the shade Revolution from Colourpop. I got this actually from Sephora because Colourpop is now sold at Sephora. This is how the shadow looks. It's like a lilac-y lavender shimmer. These shadows don't really play well with brushes, so I'm going to start with the brush and then I may have to use my finger. Okay, yeah, this brush is really doing the job. Then I'm going to go back in with that dark shade and just blend that on my lower lash line. For lashes, I'm going to use Lilly lashes in the style Luxe. And they look like this. Really pretty wispy pair of lashes. I really believe they sent me 2 different lashes in the same pack. This lash and this lash are 2 different lashes. Like, I ordered the Luxe lashes and they both came in this box just like this. This is the second time I've gotten lashes like this from Lilly Lashes. And I'm wondering if it's because I think they're handcrafted. I'm wondering if it's because of that, but I have no idea. But they look like 2 different lashes. Let me get closer. They look like 2 different lashes. For real. And then for my bottom lashes, I'm going to use the MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara. Okay, for bronzer, I'm going to use the Laura Geller Baked Hydrating Bronzer in the shade Sunset Deep. And then for highlight, I'm going to be using a gold highlight, and I'm using the Black Radiance Flawless Bronzer, but they show up as highlights on me. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of this as my inner corner highlights. The same highlight that I used on my face. Okay, and then for blush, I'm going to use this super pink blush from Sigma, like whoa. It's called the Sigma Pink. Ooh, but I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna dab off a little bit of that. Then for lips, I'm going to line them with MAC Chestnut Lip Pencil and fill in the center with Dose of Colors Cork Liquid Lipstick. And this is the completed makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's Friday, so let me know what you're doing this weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.